Victor Osimhen akaba haye jersey ya gift ayihereje Mutsinzi Ange. Donc muragura Nyanje. Why did you choose to give Ange a jersey?
No, he's a great guy. We met after the first leg, when we played goalless. Yeah, so we spoke at length, and then I saw him again at the airport when we were traveling back to our club. Okay. And he's a cool guy. He's the top guy, and also great defender. So I wish him all the best for us.
Wow. So picture, Yeah, so Victor, can you come to Manchester, please?
No, but I play first match. So me I console on the field. Then after, but I will just see my chance for us. Go to Bani Airport, airport. So I did already.
Chelsea or Man United?
No.
Anje, ubanza bivuze ikintu kinini. Victor adusobanuye team uri hano hatatu agera kuri hatatu ahisemo kuguha Imana bivuze iki?
Ikintu cyiza ni ikintu namuvugaho nuko ari umukino mwiza kandi umukino mwiza nk'uyu nguyu yapreshinga ibyo ukora ni ibintu bitera imbaraga umukino. Ni umwana mwiza muri rusange yaba mu kibuga yaba hanze y'ikibuga turavugana navuga ko ari ikintu cyiza kwegera.
Yego ni wakubwiye ngo mbabare uze kuza ngo jersey cyangwa conversation
twavuganye ushize muri match ya mbere amajesi arambwira ni ingaruka nzamugarurira jersey yo muri equipe yanjye aramubwira ko yazaniye iyo muri equipe ye arambwira ngo nta kibazo niyo mpamvu rero ubonye nazanye jersey yanjye nawe akazaniye.
Wow, muratakaje kuri match mwakinaga na Nigeria ibitego 2-0 mbere na mbere ni match yagenze ite?
Navuga ko muri mite ya mbere wabonye ko bashakaga intsinzi nk'uko mwabonaga twabashije kudefanda nubwo twakoze dukosa duke na duke bakabonamo ibitego. Ku ruhande rwacu navuga ko itari match mbi cyane ndetse mu mite twaje dushyiramo ingufu turatama occasion. Nkeka ko tugomba gutegura ibiri imbere. Dufite match hano ya Lesotho nitwitwara neza dushobora gusubira ku mwanya wacu wa mbere. Tugiye gushyiramo imbaraga twitegure kandi twizi ko hamwe na support twabonye uyu munsi baramuka bagarutse bakadushyigikira twizeye ko tuzabona intsinzi.
How does it feel when Victor